So we are live.
All right, cool. So yeah, how'd you guys do on what's the first try?
I didn't do the first try,
Oh, I'm just kidding.
but I did the homework assignment, so
Oh, good. Cool, cool. What about you, Julia? How'd you do on the first try?
I didn't do good. So I'm gonna
Okay.
like check some stuff that I may be missing.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay, cool. We can pull it up and see what we can do.
okay.
okay. So number 3,
Yes, ma'am.
in a pie chart, why are the slices sectors different sizes? Mm,
Yeah, 3 because each slice
There
represents.
one.
yeah, number 3 definitely. How everyone agrees number 3?
Yep. Yep.
Yeah, I got that one. Right.
Yep.
How are bar charts and Pareto charts related?
So it's the third one. The only difference between bar chart and Pareto chart is that the bars in the Pareto chart are ordered largest to smallest.
Mhm. That is the one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We conclude that P is normally distributed. Okay. Is the P the true proportion or the sample proportion?
So I got it was true proportion.
Wait, I wrote this down. P, the sample proportion.
No, it's a true proportion.
Okay,
It's the
the
true.
P with the little symbol is the sample proportion. Only
Yes.
the P is the population proportion, right?
Just P is true proportion,
Mm.
and then P hat is sample.
Okay.
Yes. Then 6, what is N? I put the sample size.
Yeah,
Sample size. Yep.
sample size.
Yep. And then 7 is one that I got wrong.
Me too.
I thought it was
If
0.25.
P is 1 divided by 4, what is the smallest n that satisfies the requirement? What did you put?
I thought I did it wrong. I read the question wrong. I thought it was like you just did 1 divided by 4, so I put 0.25. But the smallest n that satisfies the requirement, wouldn't it be because to have
I put
1 out of 4?
41.
Yeah.
It's like that. 49. Wait, I put 41. Yeah, I put 41.
I think it might be 4 because to get 1 out of 4, you have to have at least 4 people, right? What do you guys think?
Because here would be 25%, right?
Yes.
1/4.
Did you put 0.25?
Yeah, and that was wrong. And so I think what the question is asking is that you need to, what is the smallest amount of people, for example, what is the smallest amount of people that satisfies this requirement? So once you need, if you wanted to get 1/4 of something, you'd have to have at least 4 of it, 4 people, right?
I think so, but I'm not 100% sure, but I think you're right.
It didn't say anywhere, and like I tried looking forever for that one. I didn't find anything on it. So that's the best guess I've got.
Because what if... Sorry, go ahead.
So the question is asking for to do the conditions about have a normal distribution, because that's what I thought it was asking. Probably that's why I got it wrong.
Yeah, I think it's just trying to ask you like how many n you need to be able to get 1/4 of it. So I think 4, but I don't know.
I thought like mine could be 75%, but it wouldn't make sense. So I think you're right. I think 4.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's go with 4.
Okay, we can try it. Okay. Number 8.
Let me do this one. P is 0.4 and it's 24.
So in this one, I divided 0.4 by divided by 24, and I got 0.016, and I got it wrong.
It's because the formula for P is X dividing by N, not P dividing by N.
I was like having a hard time like trying to figure out what is X in this example.
Yeah, it doesn't make sense. I think we might have to use P to find some other
Which number?
thing.
Sorry.
8?
Which number?
Number 8.
Okay, so I got 0.4. So it's just P hat. Then P hat equals P. So it's just 0.4.
I'm sorry.
But P is not equal P.
Yeah, but P hat equals P.
Oh, really?
No, P hat is equal. I know the mean P hat is equal P.
Yeah, so mean of P hat equals P, but P equals the mean of P hat. So you get 0.4.
That's
that
confusing. Yeah, I understand, but that's confusing for me because in my notes I put that the mean of the sample proportions equal P mean P hat is equal P. So how can P hat be equal P?
Here, I'll show you my little screen here.
Okay, let me see.
Okay, can you see it?
Mm.
Do you see my screen?
Okay. Oh.
Okay, let's see. Okay, so right here, this is basically what you need. So the equation gives us P, right, which is 0.4, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this equation works forwards and backwards. So if P equals 0.4, then P hat is 0.4.
Yeah, yeah. According to that formula.
Can I write this down pretty quickly, Paul?
Right here?
Yeah. Just no P hat. All right, thanks.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now number 9.
Well, that one is like I just used the formula. That one I got it right because I just plugged the numbers. So I got point. So what is the standard of P? With the what is the little thing on the top?
This is a hat. In the video, they call it
P with
P
a hat.
hat.
P hat. So 0.10. But that was easy because I just follow the formula.
0.1.
Well, how many you got? How much did you got?
I got
0. Sorry, go ahead. How much did you get?
I got 0.1.
Okay, 0.
Huh?
0.1.
Yeah,
How much
0.1.
Oh, that's what I got.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Are we good for that one? And move on to number 10.
Okay. Britney's breath and averages. Okay. We want to determine the probability show that more than 3 gets.
So the same for this, like for number 10. So what is P hat? I don't see the formula. I don't see the formula. So so now that you said that P is equal a P, so X would be P 0.300.
No, so this is where I kind of get confused too, because there's a formula to find P hat, which I had to use.
It's X dividing per N, right?
by n. That's the formula you use. Yep.
So here our x is 0.3.
No, our x is 35.
Oh,
And then our n is 100.
y over x is 35. Oh,
X,
because it's the probability. Okay.
yes.
So it would be 0.35.
0.35.
Yeah, so that's the answer.
Okay. Standard deviation. Let's do it.
That's the thing. Just plug in the numbers.
3. How much did you guys get?
I got 0.046.
I got 0.0462.
Perfect.
Okay, the z-score. How much did you guys got for z-score?
How much did
I
you
got
get?
1.091.
I just got 1.09 straight.
I put the one and it was fine.
Okay, probably one both. I got it. Yeah, probably both of them.
Okay.
I guess. I mean,
Okay. 13. This one.
Okay,
So-
this one he asked it's gonna be more than, so I think we select just the right side,
That's
and
right.
and then we're gonna have 138. Is that what you got?
yeah, so you use the applet, just put the z-score in it, 1.019.
Yes.
Just highlight the right, and you're gonna see the area of
Point 138.
0.13.
Is that what you got, Julia?
Yeah.
Was it
Point-
right?
Was right, yeah.
Okay,
Cool.
sweet.
Okay, then 14.
That one just is the same, just plug the numbers.
Same deal, yeah.
How much did you guys get?
0.011.
0.035 I got.
Mhm.
What about you, Julia?
The same as Paul.
Okay, let me do it again. Just a second.
You good?
Okay, I got 0.035.
What do you plug?
Yeah, what are you using?
I'm using the formula.
No, what do you plug?
0.52 multiplying 1 minus 0.52 dividing per 200. And then, 2,000. Okay.
Mhm.
How much did you guys get?
0.011.
0.011?
Mhm.
0.011, okay. Got it.
Awesome. So I got 15 and 16 wrong. I didn't know how to do
Yeah,
that.
me
as well.
too. That's the one that I just couldn't figure out, like I did like back and forth, and I just couldn't.
Yeah.
It's because here, I think our P. Okay, let me see. Oh, because it's less. Oh no, that's not for z-score.
Yeah, because like we have our P, but we don't know what our P hat is. It doesn't give it to us.
And we don't have an X as well, right?
Yeah, so that's why we can't figure out P hat, because there's no X.
So I put, like try the 49 because it's asking, less than 50, and it give me a weird like number. So I
Yeah.
put it just because I didn't know what other number.
There's a question about it in our notes, but I don't really understand it.
Yeah, I was gonna review it, but I was trying to finish the quiz before we start the meeting. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna check afterwards.
But we have the standard deviation already, which is the bottom part, right? So 0.11 is just the top part, whatever p hat is minus p.
What if we use p hat as 0.5 because it's saying that's less than 50%?
That's what I did, and I got it wrong.
And what if we do the opposite? If we use p hat as 0.52 and p as 0.5? Because honestly, I don't know what else to do.
Yeah, because I think so. Okay, I'm trying to read the notes. So in the notes, the example they give you is that p hat is greater than 0.5, but we want less than 0.5. So then would we put 0.
How much did you guys got?
I got negative 0.182.
I got a weird number, like 44.354. Like that's crazy.
Because doing the 0.52 minus 0.5, I got 1.811. But I don't know if we can do that. Because here in my notes, it says that the P is equal the percentage. So like P would be 0.5.
Okay.
I don't know, because I don't know what else to do, because those are the only informations that we have.
Uh-huh. I think I almost got it. What was I can't? Sorry.
Let me check my notes.
Okay, I think what you said is our best bet, Camilla. So what was it? You got
1.811.
Okay, I think that's as good as I'm going to get. And then you plug that in the applet, and then you highlight which side,
We highlight the left side or the right side?
I think the left because they want like the less probability to lose.
But I think we highlight the left just when it's negative, right? Or no?
Oh, yeah. Well, yeah.
Yeah, but the left and the right are exactly the same. So
yeah. So then we got 0.035, right?
Yep. Okay, let's turn this in here.
Let's go.
Oh, that's funny. We got 16 right, but 15 wrong.
Hmm?
What? Did you turn in the quiz?
Yes.
Did you get 15 right?
I got 16 right.
Wow.
Yeah, but I didn't get 15 right.
Yeah, the 15 is wrong, but the 16 is right.
That's weird.
Maybe it was negative because it's less.
Oh, yeah, you're probably right. Yeah.
Yeah, it makes sense.
And then we ended up getting 7 wrong as well.
What?
Let me see the 7.
That was that weird one.
The number 4. We thought it was number 4. But you said
weird, huh?
you said you got right, didn't you?
No, that's the one that we couldn't figure out.
Okay.
Hey, well, good job.
Good job, guys.
Yeah, it was a little faster that time, I think.
So about the work, the group work, we will talk later, right?
Yeah, like
Yeah,
I'll
you
just go
see
through it.
the stuff so we can, you know what to do, so we can think about the ideas that you want for the design.
Yeah, let's try and like before you go to bed tonight, try and read about it and then suggest what you want to do in our little email.
Yeah,
That sound good?
I honestly have to read because I'm a little bit lost.
Yeah.
Yeah, we
Cool.
have
So let's read it.
this week, so we do have to like start working on it.
Yeah, so let's read it. Let's read it before you go to bed tonight, and then in your email, post what you think we should do. Like if we should talk about over Gmail, or we want to meet again separately on Hangouts for it, or something like that.
I
Sound
think like
good?
if you can just read it and put your ideas for this like the project that we have this week too, so that like the study that we're gonna do.
Okay, yeah, we can do that, and then let us know if anyone responds. That way we can join their group kind of
Yeah,
thing too.
right now to see somebody responded to. Uh, and like when I was checking their groups, like a lot of them they're already like working, and I was like, oh no,
Yeah.
yeah, we do this. Okay, cool. I'll see you
Cool.
later.
Let us know. Thanks.
Sounds good, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
See you later.